If you want to record phone calls on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we will need to use a third-party app that allows us to record phone calls, because by default there is no app or an option that allows us to make recordings of phone calls. So let's get right into it. Let's go to the Play Store. Of course, we can search for a phone call recorder. I actually know one that is called Cube ACR. Of course, feel free to use any app that you wish to try out by yourself. This is just a suggestion. You don't have to use the same app. You can use any other, as long as you follow the instructions of the app and set it up properly. I'm sure they can work as well as this one. So I'm gonna install this one, and I'm gonna show you also how to set it up and how it works. And we're gonna need to, once we install it, we can press open, and we will need to also install additional plugin for this app so that the app works well. But let's get right into it. Let's go step by step. So let's press next. Then we need to grant permissions so that the app can record the audio, obviously. It has access to contacts, send notifications, make and manage calls, and so on. We can also disable power optimization for the app, so let's press OK and press allow. Then we have geotagging, where we don't have to really agree to that, so we can press no thanks and press got it. Over here we have an ad for premium features, but we can use this app completely for free and it is enough. So press this X in the top left corner twice. Then we have this additional app, this plugin. It is actually called Helper, so we're gonna press install Helper. Now here we will open some of the options from where we can install the ACR Helper. So we're gonna choose Galaxy Store because we have this app. And let's see if we can get it. Actually, we're gonna go back and let's open the Galaxy Store by ourselves, and we're gonna search for the Cube ACR Helper. There we go. Let's install it. And once it is installed, we want to open it as well. There we go. So let's open. And let's follow the instructions again. So grant permissions again. There we go. Then we need to enable app connector. So we need to go to accessibility, find and enable app connector. So let's tap this button. Choose installed apps, choose Cube ACR app connector and turn it on. Press allow. And then we can press OK, allow, and there we go. ACR Helper is set up, so we can open Cube ACR again. And the Cube ACR is set up now as well. So now we can also tap on these three lines in the top left corner in order to make sure that enable recording is enabled. We also have some options, so you can go through them in order to adjust this app to your own needs. Because, for example, we have auto start recording option. Now, from what I've noticed on other devices, it takes approximately 5 seconds to start recording the call. So first 5 seconds of the phone call may not be recorded at all. Just keep it in mind, which is not really much, but it is worth mentioning. And if the phone call happens to last less than those 5 seconds, then probably the recording won't be made. So let's actually make a call. Let me call myself. And the app, if of course this option is enabled, it starts recording the phone call by itself. If not, if you disable that option, then essentially you want to go to the app and start recording by yourself over here. Well, this is actually dictaphone. And let's see. Alright, so nevertheless, I'm gonna call myself. And let's see how it works. So let's answer the call. And let's wait a couple of seconds in order to make sure that the app starts recording. We should also see that, there we go, we have the notification that Cube ACR is now automatically recording the call and it is in progress. So I think this is enough. We have 20 seconds, we can close this. And now let's go to the Cube ACR app. And there we go, we have the call. So we can go to the call and press play in order to listen to the call. We can tap on these three dots over here in order to find some additional options. And that is essentially it. This is how we can record phone calls on our S25 Ultra. And like I said, if you don't like this app for some reason, feel free to try anything else from the Play Store or from the Galaxy Store I'm sure there are other apps that that will do the job as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!